Hi guys! This is my bag and I'm vlogging. What is in your bag?
What's inside my bag?
What's inside my bag? I'm not familiar of this, so okay, this is my
Let's
first
check.
time.
Let's check.
I have one phone. Yeah, with an anime. And I have
You have two phones?
iPhone 8 and iPhone 6.
Wow.
Okay, can you thank you.
What else?
I have a lipstick.
What kind of lipstick is that?
I don't know.
You show
Just a
it.
gift.
Kaya nga, what brand is that?
Ma, what brand is this?
You show it.
They don't show it really. There's nothing.
There's no brand.
It's romantic. Romantic.
Okay, next.
I don't have anymore. Hey, it's not my fault.
Okay. Well, so.
Oh my gosh, what's that? There's a
that?
flower.
Oh my god. So,
Yeah, that would be all. Thank you. And thank you for Tita Malen. The one vlogging this is Tita Malen, and thank you for sponsoring this bag. This is a gift from Tita Malen. Thank you so much. Bye!